Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to use a third-party app that uses AI product description generators, like Yodel, for example, for your Shopify store. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So to actually do this is quite simple, and the reason that you may want to do it in the first place is that it saves you time, and it's actually pretty convenient, and it generates some pretty good descriptions for your products. And the cool thing about the app that I'm going to suggest is that it actually uses the integration of ChatGPT. And as we all know, ChatGPT's database is pretty big. So when it comes to its range of vocabulary, it's pretty good when it comes to giving your products an elaborate description. So I'll be showing you guys just how to install it. So the idea here is we first want to get access to the Shopify App Store. And there are a couple ways to get there. You can click on Apps, and it'll show you this drop down, and from here you want to click on App and Sales Channel, and from here click on Shopify App Store. And it's going to open a new window where we get to install all the compatible applications and tools that can integrate with Shopify. So in this case, because we're looking for an AI generator for our description, we can do Yodel. So I'm just going to type Yodel. So if you don't see it right away, you can do this, for example. And from here, you guys will actually see that it's the second choice, and you'll see that this application is built for Shopify. And another cool thing about this is because it uses ChatGPT's description, you would think that the wording is limited if you were a free user. However, there is no paywall behind accessing their entire database. So if you guys are a free user in ChatGPT, you would notice that the wording that they use gets pretty, it catches on pretty fast. It gets pretty familiar, and you're able to distinguish whether it's AI or not. Now, the cool thing about this app is that you don't actually have to settle for that limited vocab or database, as this accesses the entire database for ChatGPT. So I recommend Yodel. So you're going to click on this, go to their store page, and simply install. Now, this is going to take us to a new page where we're basically going to integrate the application with our store. So we're basically going to authorize it, give it access, like so. Let Shopify and Yodel work their magic. Wait for it to load. And in a moment here, you should see the dashboard for Yodel. So here we are. So the cool thing about this is when we go to click on choose product or choose collection, I actually just have one. We can do this one, select. The AI is going to generate a description for us. So we can do some SEO keywords, like let's say NFT. We can add, wait, let's actually check the format for this. Okay, so NFT. What else is there? Maybe digital product, or anything that attracts people in the crypto or blockchain scene. So airdrops, blockchain, so on. And you can even give it special instructions. Give it a language that it needs to follow, tone, and the length. So when we click on write, we're basically going to let it work its magic. And here we are. Dive into the world of digital art with Pepe the Frog NFT. This exclusive NFT is a must-have for collectors. So here we are. So we're going to edit it and add to Shopify, so it will integrate the description to the product that we chose. And that's honestly it. So yeah, thank you guys for watching the video, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.